First up, we got population bias. Most kink research has been conducted on samples that are disproportionately white, Western, middle class, able bodied, cisgender, and English speaking. The findings from these samples are then generalized to kink engaged as a population as if the experiences of white, middle class practitioners in the Netherlands or Australia represent the full range of human kink experience. It don't. When we look at the Wismeyer study, it tells us that BDSM practitioners score higher on conscientiousness and openness than non-BDSM folks. What it is telling us, though, is Dutch BDSM practitioners recruited through a specific Dutch BDSM organization had those results. The generalizability of that finding to, say, a Black kink practitioner in Chicago navigating a predominantly white community, or to a working class person whose access to kink community is limited by economic barriers, or to a disabled person whose kink practice is shaped by physical and access limitations, means that the generalizability is not established. It's not possible. The populations that are consistently underrepresented in kink research include people of color, working class and low income folks, people with disabilities, transgender and non binary people, people outside of the global north, and people whose kink practice happens outside of organized community structures. And that ain't just a small gap, that's damn near the entire human population. And what this means for us as we are consuming the research means that we are consuming a partial picture. It describes some kink engaged people very well and others barely at all. So knowing that is part of reading the research critically and part of understanding why community knowledge is an essential complement to the academic literature.